Hey, good morning, everyone. I am out today during period two, but I wanted to make sure that you stayed on the same page as my period seven class. So this is what I'm going through today with them. So I just thought I'd record it quick so you guys can get the notes and start working on the last section in part four. Um, Tomorrow, if you have any questions about the notes, obviously you can ask me, but I wanted you to get started on them. So part A, projected income and cash flow statement. Income statement, financial statement showing income and expenses for a specific period of time. A budget is basically describing the income and expenses for the first year. So in your business plan, whatever you get for your income and expenses, you're going to say that is going to be your budget. Next, cash flow statement, financial statement showing the amount of cash expected to be received and paid out for the year. So it shows money received, paid, and the cash balance for the year. So basically, the cash flow statement is the green sheet that we filled out and that you also put in your business plan. So basically, we've already done both of these things. Part B, the projected three-year plan. This is what we just finished. It shows expanded growth, including sales, expenses, net income, and cash flow over a three-year period. So again, when you completed that, the key thing is to show growth. So especially in your sales, obviously also in your expenses, but you need to show that you are making more money than what you're spending. And part C, the capital and repayment plan. So this is what I would like you to start on today. You're going to indicate your personal investment in the business, and it can be whatever you want to say. It could be your savings, family gifts, maybe your grandparents are going to invest in your business, whatever. Partners, share investment, any other thing you can think of where you could get money. Please be realistic. Don't say, you won the lottery and you're going to invest, 500,000 from your winnings. Okay. Whatever you put for your personal investment and how you're doing it, make it realistic. Also, your personal investment is, if you look on your green sheet, when we figured out what you were going to need for a loan, your investment is how much you and your partner are going to put into it. From that amount, then you figured out your less cash, which was going to be your emergency money. So whatever that main number is, that's going to be your personal investment. You're going to tell me the money that you borrowed from the bank, or if you're going to go through a credit union, but you need to come up with some kind of financial institution here in Fargo that basically you're presenting this plan to in hopes that they are going to give you the money. So the money borrowed from banks, that's what you're going to tell me what your loan amount is going to be. The plan to repay borrowed funds, basically you're going to make monthly payments to your loan, and then you're going to tell me how much you're going to pay in interest. This is something that I can help you with tomorrow. Also, how long is your loan for? Everybody is going to put 8 years because that's what we used in our calculating. How much will your monthly loan payments be? Again, that's located on the green sheet. Okay, so it's the number that you multiplied by 12. So it should have been the number that you got on the online calculator that you used. Also, what will be offered as collateral for your loan? So collateral is basically something that you are putting up that you're willing to give to the bank should you defer on your loan and not be able to pay your loan. So for example, you could use a car, you could use your home. So you need to just pick something that you're going to say that you're going to put up as collateral should you not be able to pay off or make your payments for the loan. Okay, so that is it for the notes for part 4. So again, A and B we already went through, the green sheets and your 3-year projection or projected plan. So part C here on the screen is what you need to start today. And again, if you have questions tomorrow, get as much done as you can today, and I can help you tomorrow when I get back. Okay, have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow.